Dear student, welcome to Educa Gain. We are discussing Indian polity through MCQ. Today's session is part number 4. In this video, we are discussing about preamble through MCQ. If you not subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel and share the video. Let's begin. Today we are discussing preamble through MCQ of the Indian Constitution. Question number 1. The preamble to the Indian Constitution declares India as a option number A, socialist, option B, secular, option B, secular, option C, democratic and republic, option D, all of the above. We also know that Indian Constitution is a socialist constitution, secularist constitution and a democratic and a republic constitution. So the correct answer is option number D, all of the above. The Indian Constitution is a socialist constitution, secular constitution and democratic republic constitution. Question number 2. The term secular was added to the preamble by which amendment? Option number A, 42nd amendment, option B, 44th amendment, option C, 52nd amendment and option D, 62 Amendment Act. The correct answer is option number A, 42nd Amendment Act of the Indian Constitution. Question number 3. Which of the following terms was added to the preamble by the 42nd Amendment Act in 1976? Option number A, sovereign, option B, socialist, option C, democratic and option D, republic. The correct answer is option B, socialist. The word socialist is added in the preamble by the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. Please remember it. Question number 4. The preamble states that India is a option A, democratic republic, option B, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, option C, sovereign, socialist, democratic republic, option D, federal republic. The correct answer is option number B, sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic. Under the preamble, India is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic and republic. Next question is, the preamble of the Indian Constitution mentions the objectives of the Constitution. Which of the following is not one of them? We also know the option number A, justice, option B, liberty, option C, fraternity and option D, communism. We are also know that under the preamble, the justice, liberty and the fraternity is added, but the communism is not added under the preamble of the Indian Constitution. So correct answer is option D. Communism is not added in the preamble of the Indian Constitution. Question number 6. Which word in the preamble emphasizes the goal of the Constitution to provide social, economic and political justice? Option number A, justice, option B, liberty, option C, equality and option D, fraternity. The correct answer is option number A, justice. Justice in economic, justice in social, justice in political. Okay. The next question is question number 7. The preamble was amended only once. One time, the preamble of the Indian Constitution is amended only one time. In which year was amendment made? Option A 1947, option B 1950, option C 1976 and option D 1989. The correct answer is option C 1976 under the 42nd Amendment Act. Okay, 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Question number 8. Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship is provided in the preamble. This reflects which right? Liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship is provided in the fundamental rights of the Indian Constitution. Option number A is correct answer. Question number 9. The word republic in the preamble means option A, head of the state is elected, head of the state is hereditary. Option number C, rule of the majority party, and option number D, none of the above. The correct answer is head of the state is elected. Option number A, head of the state is elected by the people of India, In India, question number 10, the term fraternity in the preamble means option A, brotherhood, option B, equality, option C, liberty and option D, justice. The correct answer is option A, brotherhood. Option A, brotherhood. The means of fraternity. Question number 11. Which phrase in the preamble reflects the principle of equal treatment of all citizens without discrimination? Option number A, liberty. Option B, equality of status and opportunity. Option C, justice and option D, fraternity. The correct answer is option B, equality of status and opportunity. Question number 12. The idea of liberty, equality and fraternity in the preamble is inspired by the option A, Russian Constitution, option B, American Constitution, option C, French Constitution and option D, Chinese Constitution. Correct answer is C, French Constitution. Question number 13. The preamble declares that the people of India solemnly resolve to secure to all its citizens. Option A, justice, liberty and fraternity. Option B, liberty, equality and justice. Option C, justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Option D, justice, liberty and equality. The correct answer is option number C. Option C is justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Question number 14. Which of the following concept is emphasized by the word sovereign in the preamble? Option A, no interference from external powers. Option B, social equality. Option C, economic independence and option D, federalism. The correct answer is option A, no interference from external powers. Question number 15. What does the preamble signify the democratic? The option A, government by people. Option B, government for the people. Option C, government of the people. The option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Democratic means government by the people, for the people, and of the people. Question number 16. The preamble to the Indian Constitution was adopted on option A, 26th January 1949, option B, 26th November 1949, option C, 26th January 1950, and option D, 15 August 1947. The correct answer is option B, 26th November 1949. Question number 17. The phrase dignity of the individual in the preamble denotes option A, equality, option B, liberty, option C, fraternity, and option D, justice. The correct answer is option C, fraternity. Question number 18. Which term in the preamble indicates that all regions and groups have equal status? Option A, equality, option B, fraternity, option C, liberty, and option D, justice. The correct answer is option A, equality. Option A, equality. Next question. The phrase unity and the integrity of the nation. Unity and the integrity of the nation in the preamble was added by the option A, 42nd Amendment Act, option B, 44th Amendment Act, option C, 52nd Amendment Act, and option D, 61st Amendment Act. The correct answer is 42nd Amendment Act, option A, 42nd Amendment Act. Question number 20. Which concept in the preamble assure individuals freedom of thought and expression? Option A, justice, option B, equality, option C, liberty, and option D, fraternity. The correct answer is option C, liberty. Question number 21. Which term in the preamble signifies that the government is based on the consent of governed? Option number A, democratic, option B, republic, option C, secular, and option D, socialist. The correct answer is option A, option number A, democratic. Question number 22. Which phrase in the preamble reflects the aim to eliminate economic and social disparities? Option A, justice, option B, liberty, option C, equality, and option D, fraternity. The correct answer is option number C, equality. Question number 23. Which principle is not explicitly mentioned in the preamble but is implicit in the objective state? Option A, federalism, option B, secularism, option C, socialism, and option D, sovereignty. The correct answer is option A, federalism. Next question, 24. The word secular in the preamble means option A, freedom to worship any religion. Option B, freedom to worship religion of one's choice. Option C, equal respect for all religions. Option D, state treats all religions equal. The correct answer is option D. The state treats all religions equal. Question number 25. The word democratic in the preamble refers to which type of democracy? Option A, direct democracy. Option B, representative democracy. Option C, participatory democracy. And option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option B, representative democracy. Question number 26. In the preamble, which term ensures the maintenance of the dignity of the individual? Option A, equality. Option B, fraternity. Option C, justice. Option D, liberty. The correct answer is option B, fraternity. Question number 27. Which of the following reflects the concept of sovereign in the preamble? Option A, India is independent of external control. Option B, India can freely formulate its foreign policy. Option C, India can administer its internal matters without interference. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. Option D, all of the above. Sovereign meaning India is independent external control. India can freely formulate its foreign policy. India can administer its internal matters without interference. So, option number D is correct, all of the above. Question number 28. Which term in the preamble suggests that all citizens are equal before the law? Option A, justice. Option B, liberty. Option C, equality. And option D, fraternity. The correct answer is option C, equality. Okay. The next question is 29. The phrase unity and the integrity of the nation in the preamble promotes option A, political stability. Option B, territorial integrity. Option C, social cohesion. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 30 and last question of this session. The preamble of the Indian Constitution aims to promote among all citizens option A, fraternity. Option B, dignity. Option C, unity and integrity of the nation. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option number D, all of the above. Thank you, all of you. Have a good luck for all. So, please subscribe the channel and share the video. Thank you, all of you.